Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this channel, we are going to be learning Dinka language, and today we are going to begin from the alphabets which are called Kit Dit in Dinka or in Thongjäng. Piooc Kit Dit Dinka or Piooc Kit Dit Thongjäng. So let us know how to read these letters in Dinka language. Kit Dit Dinka. A, Ba, Sha, Da, Do, E, Go, Ga, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, No, Nya, Nga, Ta, Tho, U, Wa, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. A, Ba, Sha, Da, Do, E, Ga, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Nya, Nga, Ta, U, Wa, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. So this is how we read them in Dinka. So let me give you another way how you can recall them. A, Ba, Cha, Da, Do, E, Go, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Nye, Nga, Ta, Tho, U, Wa, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. U, Wa, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. Abashada do go I Jaka lama na nyenga tato Uwa o paraya Uwa o paraya Abashada do go I Jaka lama na nyenga tato Uwa o paraya Uwa o paraya. Uwa o paraya. This is the one here where it is complicated, but it's very easy. Uwa o paraya. Very simple, guys. You know, Dinka language is very easy. If you know this one how to read, very simple. A, Ba, Sha, Da, E, Ga, O, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, this is Na, No, Na, Nya, this is Nya, Nga, Ta, U, Wa, O, Pa, Ra, Ya. So these are the alphabets in Dinka language. They are in capital letters. Then tomorrow I'm going to bring them in small letters, and also we are going to learn Kit Yao, Kit Mim, Kit Ew. All this one we will learn them step by step. Then after that we have mastered all the language of this pronunciation and other things. We are going to write some word step by step, so that we learn Dinka language together. Okay, if you are new in this page, please like, follow, and be part of this learning family. I'm William Majak Malek. Nyali Kawek Kuyania. Bye bye. See you in next lesson.